presentation on the topic building cloud computing environments. The creation of cloud computing environments includes both the development of applications and as well as the development of systems. These developments that provides cloud computing solutions and the creation of frameworks, platforms, and infrastructure delivery cloud computing services. The first one will be the application development. The application development that leverages means it includes cloud computing benefit from its capability to dynamically scale on demand. One of the application is web application, which takes the biggest advantage of this feature. With the diffusion of Web 2.0 technologies, the web has become a platform for developing rich and complex applications. Among them, entire enterprise application is one of them. This application that includes the internet has the preferred channel for service delivery and user interaction. This application is the complex process which is the triggered by the interaction with the users and developed through the interaction between several tiers behind the web front end. The another application will be the resource intensive application, where this application it can be either data intensive or compute intensive application. For these both cases, that is data intensive or compute intensive applications that considers large amount of resources are required to complete the execution in a reasonable time frame, that the large amount of resources are not needed constantly or for a long duration. Scientific application is one of the example of resource intensive applications which require huge computing capacity to perform large scale experiments once in a while, so it is not feasible to buy the infrastructure supporting them. In this case, the cloud computing can be a solution for that. Next, the cloud computing provides a solution for on-demand and also for dynamic scaling across the entire stack of computing. This is achieved by providing methods for renting compute power, storage, and networking that offers runtime environments designed for scalability and dynamic sizing. It also provides application services that mimic the behavior of desktop applications but that are completely hosted and managed on the provider side. The second development will be the system and also infrastructure. Cloud computing contains some of the technologies that is distributed computing, virtualization, service orientation, and Web 2.0. These are the core technologies that enables the provisioning of cloud services from anywhere on the globe. The first one we will see is the distributed computing. It is a foundational model for cloud computing because cloud systems are distributed systems. The major challenge for engineers and or even for developers is that where the new nodes and services are provisioned on cloud. For that, the cloud computing solutions and is mostly addressed at the middleware layer of the computing system. Infrastructure has a service solution provides the capabilities to add and remove the resources. But it is up to those who deploy systems on this scalable infrastructure to make use of such opportunities with the wisdom and effectiveness. The another solution will be the platform as a services, which embed into their core offering algorithms and the rules that control the provisioning process and the lease of resources. This can be either completely transparent to developers or subject to fine control. The next core technology will be Web 2.0. This technology constitutes the interface through which cloud computing services are delivered, managed, and provisioned. The interaction with rich interfaces through the web browser web services have become the primary access point to cloud computing systems from a programmable standpoint. The next technology will be the service orientation. It is the underlying paradigm that defines the architecture of a cloud computing system. Everything as a service that clearly defines underlines the central role of the service orientation technology. The next one will be the virtualization. Virtualization is another element which plays a fundamental role in cloud computing. This technology is a core feature of the infrastructure used by cloud providers. Developers of cloud applications need to be aware of the limitations of the selected virtualization technology and the implications on the volatility of some components of their systems. These are all the considerations that influence the way we program applications and systems based on cloud computing technologies. Cloud computing provides mechanisms to address surges in demand by replicating the required components of computing. The next one will be the computing platform and technologies. Development of a cloud computing applications happens by providing platforms and frameworks that provide the different types of services from the bare metal infrastructure to customizable applications which are serving specific purposes. There are some services which we are going to see. The first one will be the Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services means AWS provides different wide-ranging cloud infrastructure as a services, which ranges from virtual compute, storage, and networking to complete the computing stacks. AWS is well known for its storage and compute on demand services. For the compute on demand services, it is named as Elastic Compute Cloud, and for the well known for its storage, it is named as Simple Storage Service. Easy to also offers the capability of saving an explicit running instance as image, thus allowing the users to create their own templates for deploying its system. These templates that are stored into S3 that delivers the persistent storage on demand. Besides EC2 and S3, a wide range of services that can be leveraged to build virtual computing systems, including network support, caching system, DNS, database support, and others. The next service will be the Google App Engine. The Google App Engine is a scalable runtime environment mostly devoted to executing web applications. These take the advantage of the large computing infrastructure of Google to dynamically scale as the demand varies over time. App Engine offers both a secure execution environment and a collection of which simplifies the development if scalable and high performance web applications. Developers can build and test applications on their own machines using the App Engine software development kit, which replicates the production runtime environment and helps test and profile applications. The next one will be the Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure is a cloud operating system and it is a platform for developing applications in the cloud, which it provides a scalable runtime environment for web applications and distributed applications in general. Azure provides a set of additional services that complement applications execution, such as support for storage, networking, caching, content delivery, and others. Hadoop. Apache Hadoop, which is an open source framework, which is suited for processing large data sets on commodity hardware. Hadoop is an implementation of MapReduce, an application programming model delivered by Google, which provides two fundamental operations for data processing, that is map and reduce. Hadoop also even provides the runtime environment and developers need only provide the input data and specify the map and reduce functions that need to be executed. The next platform will be the Force.com and Salesforce.com. Force.com is a cloud computing platform at which user can develop a social enterprise applications. The platform is the basis of Salesforce.com, which is a software as a service solution for customer relationship management. The platform provides complete support for developing applications, from the design of the data layout to the definition of business rules and workflows and the definition of the user interface. The next and the last one will be the Microsoft Aneka. It is also a cloud application platform for rapid creation of scalable applications and their deployment on various types of cloud in a seamless and elastic manner, which it supports a collection of programming abstractions for developing applications and a distributed runtime environment, which are deployed on heterogeneous hardware. This service-oriented architecture of the runtime has a great degree of flexibility and simplifies the integration of new features, such as abstractions of a new programming model and associated execution management environments. With these platforms are key samples of the technology available for cloud computing. Thank you.